Friends, in this video, I will tell you about repetition and alliteration of figure of speech. First of all, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my coming videos. Now let's start the definition of repetition. Repetition is a literary device wherein a word, a phrase or a sentence is repeated to create rhythm and make an idea more clear. First, let's understand some examples of word repetition. First is, Lata is a singer. Because her father was a singer, her sister is also a singer. Here the word singer has come thrice. So here singer is example of word repetition. Second is, O mother, my mother, you are my great mother. Here the word mother is example of word repetition in this sentence. Some more examples of phrase repetition. First example is, some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. The phrase some say is repeated twice for a poetic effect. This line has been taken from the poem Fire and Ice written by Robert Frost. Second example is, keep fit, little man, keep fit. Here the phrase keep fit is repeated 2 times in this line. Let's understand sentence repetition examples. First one is, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. The sentence and miles to go before I sleep is repeated 2 times for a poetic effect. You can say these 2 lines in the poem Stopping in the Woods on a Snowy Evening written by Robert Frost. Second example is, the judge commanded stamping his mallet on the table. Order in the court, order in the court. Here the same sentence, order in the court, is repeated twice. Second is alliteration. And definition is, alliteration is a figure of speech in which a number of words having the same first consonant sound occurs close together in a series. Let's looking the examples of the alliteration. First is, my mother makes mutton for me. Here, as you can see, the sound of ma is repeated multiple times at the start of the words. So it's the examples of alliteration. Second example is, she sells seashells down by the seashore. Here, you can look the sound saw is repeated multiple times at the start of the words. So it is the example of alliteration. You can see one more example of alliteration. Can you keep the cat from clawing the couch? Here, you can listen the sound ka is repeated multiple times at the start of the words. But the first letters are not same. Can is started with C and keep is started with K. But here the same sound ka is repeated in both words. So please remember, alliteration is dependent at the beginning sound, not the beginning sound of letter. Firstly, we learned what is repetition, and finally we learned what is alliteration in this video. If you have any question or suggestion related to this video, please write in comment box, and if you liked the video, please click the like button. Thank you to watch my video.